Senior Pedro, you know Senior Pedro? There. That is Senior Pedro here. If you drive not correct, you go to Senior Pedro. Okay. Learn how to forgive the other driver. You must forgive the other driver, huh?
You wait, Kuya, going.
If I said stop, you should stop, huh? Okay, go. Very slow, okay, nice. Turn right, yeah. Make it slow, take a look on the left before you right. 1 seconds, 1 seconds, 1 seconds, 1 seconds, okay, 1 seconds, 1 seconds until you reach this road. Nice. Oh, your mirror.
Stop.
When you're straight, stop. Okay. Press up. Okay. No gas. Okay, very good.
Ganito, kaliwa.
Kanan. Yo-yo. There. Avoid the, you see the rough road? Avoid that. Straight. Okay, then turn right. No gas. Nice. That's cool, man. If somebody beep, 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 just take a look on your left and right. Yeah. Okay. Gas. Okay, gas. Make it perfect, your lane. Gas. Okay. Gas. Nice. Okay, gas. Press it hard. Make it fast. Make it fast, man. Make it fast. Okay, then go back to the brake. Nice. Stay on brake. Nice. Okay, gas. 1 second on the left. Okay, back to the front. Stay on the brake. Okay, nice. That's cool. Okay, that is a perfect distance. Okay, go. Get in fast. Go, nice. Then stay on brake. Okay. When somebody runs, it never runs because it is close. It is very close, huh? You should take a look on the other side, huh? On the left side, huh? The other side, you should look, huh? Because there's someone cuts you blind spot, huh? You know the blind spot? Gas. One seconds on the right. Okay, before you turn your wheels to the right, huh? You should look 1 second, huh? On the left. Okay.
Mau phải dán á.
On the left. Okay. Brake. We will turn to the left. Left side. Left. Yeah. Slow down here, there. So you should stop in here. Okay. Okay. Never press the gas, huh? Okay. Okay. Brake. Only brake, huh? Use only brake. Okay. Go. A little. Okay. Stop. A little. Okay. A little. Continue. Okay. That's good, now. No gas. Okay. Very good. Stay on the brake. Okay. Then when you straight, you need to gas Press the gas. Nice. Okay, cool. Go. So, there's its counterflow. Slow down. Make it slow. No turning your wheels. No like that. Okay, gas. Look so far. Look very far. Brake. Okay. Okay, gas. Nice. Look further. Okay, gas up. Gas. Gas. Press it hard. Hard press. Hard press. Go. Gas. Stay on the brake. Nice. Slow down because the motorbike. Brake. Okay. Gas. It's a crossing. There's another road here. Road. Okay. Make it slow. Oh, we will jump. Okay. You go, huh? Okay, no? So what will happen when you stop on this road? Okay. Very slow. Okay, stop. Okay, go. Okay. So it never come back down. It never back down. Okay. Avoid to hit the side, huh? On the right. Brake. Nice brake. Okay.
Very big, you know, see?
Gas.
Kasi Ulimang
Very mang. Yun na daw pinakamay. Ina niya. Kasi siya.
Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, then release. Nice.
Yeah, the go.
You go. Yo. Your signal. Up. Up signal. Oh, okay. You're a good driver, man. Very good, huh? You hit the lane perfectly. Okay. Oh, but you didn't ramp perfectly. Okay. Okay, stop here. Stop. Okay, stop. Okay. What will happen when you stop on this road? Okay. What will happen? Okay, release the brake. Oh.
What happened?
No, nothing's happened. Okay, gas. Gas. Little gas. Nice. That's cool, man. You know that it will never back down, ha? Hindi siya atras, no? Follow the car. 1 second on the mirror. Okay.
Kaliwa, kanan.
Okay, straight, derecho. Okay, the motorbike. Oh, brake. Brake. Brake.
Brake.
Okay.
You know si motor?
Okay. You see the motorbike?
motor.
You see the motorbike? Respect the motorbikes. Oh. Okay. Tama ba ate yung training ko sa kanya? Diba? Perfect, diba? Hindi makakapag-drive na siya na maayos.
Siya lang punta.
Wala nga lang pupuntahan, no? Saan ka punta?
Cavite.
Cavite, ha? Ikaw Cavite, ha? Every time, every day, ha?
Work.
Hindi mo maawat tong mga to, ate. Pag gusto lumabas yan.
Sa ano, next time naman kuya, gabi naman.
Sure. You want to drive at night? Night driving?
Evening.
We will right turn, ha?
You
You see the truck? Okay, make it slow first. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. Okay. You forgive him. You forgive him what he done. Wrong things. Okay? Okay?
You going patay.
Okay. If you're not give, you will die on that truck. Okay. We will make a right turn. Huh? So you know how to...
Three.
Okay. Right. Okay. Continue right. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Until you reach 1 second. 1 second. Until you reach the lane. Okay. Nice, kuya. You're a very good driver now. Yes. So if somebody cuts you from the left, no? Cuts you, make it slow, huh? Never turn your car. Take a look on the left. Okay. Stay on the brake. Brake. Hey, man.
Brake.
Brake.
Hiya.
Slow. Hiya. Okay, gas. Soft touch, huh? Soft touch. Okay, gas. Okay. Make it perfect, your lane. You're gonna see the broken line on the right. You see the broken line? Never hit the line. Huh? On the left, the solid line. You see the white line? Okay, never hit that line. Okay. Okay, gas. Brake. Brake. Okay, brake. Okay. Gas. Okay. Then. Okay. Stop. You see the stoplight? So you should see the tires in front of that car. Okay, stop.
Stop. Ay,
Okay, that's good.
It's how to far.
It's very
No.
far yan, you know, going in living.
That is the correct distance, ha?
Sabi, gusto niya yung malapit-lapit.
Okay. Never press the gas. After 2 cars ahead, okay, gas. That is the distance before you pressing the gas. Look at the left. Gas. Press gas. Gas. Nice. Okay. Stay on brake. Okay. Avoid that that 2 men. Okay. Crossing in front. Okay. Gas. So yan. So yan na po si kuya. No? Nag-aaral siya defensive driving. Okay. Stay on brake. Hey man, brake. Brake. Okay. Gas. That's the way how to drive, huh? Never stay on the gas, huh?
Sisi naga 5 lang. 5.
Gas is only for speed. After you pressing that gas, you should back to the brake, okay?
You finish gas, going to brake.
Okay. That's cool, man. Nice. Oh, you see? You need to slow down, huh? Because somebody cuts you in front of you, coming from back. Gas. Run fast, man. Okay. Brake. Stay on the brake. Look at the right mirror. 1 second. Okay. Take a look. Change your lane on the right. Okay. Brake. Stay on the brake, man. Okay. Pa-charge ako, ha.
Ano yan, kuya? Type C?
Meron akong charger. Sige, go, gas. Stay on the lane. Stay on this lane. In the middle. Brake. Slow down. Slow. Okay. Slow gas.
Brake, gas.
Flip.
Ako na lang ate. Ako bahala dyan. Okay. Never hit the bike. Okay. Stay on the brake now. Okay. Very good. Continue. Okay. Soft touch. Nice. Soft press. Gas. Soft press. Okay. Back to the brake. You should stop here. Okay. Then let your car drive by itself. Okay. Release the brake.
Open.
Okay. Then stay on the brake. Release the brake. Go. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. Stop. If somebody cuts you like that, you should stop. Stop. Okay. Release the brake. That's good, man. Okay. Hope somebody cuts you. Okay, brake.
Brake!
No! Okay.
CC car!
Gas. Okay. Brake. What you see? What you hit? Stop. Okay. Take a look on the left. Okay, gas. Okay.
Gas?
Gas. Help yourself.
Little gas na.
Just help yourself also. Huh? Think wise.
Nakatok na yun, kuya. Paano?
Okay, sige. Ikaw na mag-drive ate. Doon na banda. Palit kayo. Sa gasoline station.
You know every single
Brake.
ano, you
Yeah, somebody cuts you. So you should stay on brake. My God.
Lagi kasing paa niya nasa gas eh.
Okay. Make it fast, man. The bus is on the right. You see the bus on the right? Take a look. 1 second. On the right. Okay. Just look. Never scared. Take the right side. Okay, gas. Okay. Sige, brake. Okay, brake na. There. Okay, there. We stop here. Okay, stop. Brake. Okay, we stop. Okay, full stop. Stop. Then park. So that is the way how to drive.